and gentlemen, very good morning, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, jai Shri Krishna, jai Jinendra. Can I hear back a good morning from each one of you? यहाँ के लोगों ने चाय और नाश्ता अच्छे से किया है. इन लोगों को लगता है मिला है बट इन्होंने खाया नहीं है. Come on, zestful and a zealful good morning. मुझे ये भी पता चला है कि कोई लोग श्रीलंका से आए हैं, across the India नहीं, across the globe भी आए हैं. So I think we should be really phenomenally zealful out here, okay? So one more time I'll give you an opportunity. इतने ज़ोर से good morning होना चाहिए कि मडगांव रेलवे स्टेशन नज़दीक है. They should really get a complaint कि ये क्या हुआ है, ये स्टेशन पे थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेशन हो गया है, बहुत आवाज़ आई थी यहाँ पे, okay? Everybody, good morning everyone! Wow! Now this looks like a splendid, environment out here. I really feel I am in a bunch of a galaxy of stars out here. But ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very warm welcome to my distinguished guests, esteemed awardees, and of course, our dignitaries who have joined us out here. Good morning and welcome to this truly special occasion, the International Grand Convocation Ceremony 2024. And can we have a huge round of applause, everyone? Come on. This is a celebration of excellence, perseverance, and of course the accomplishment. We have gathered here to celebrate the collaborative efforts of the Yellow Achiever Award and perhaps Research Consulting Private Limited, Online Overseas Education Consultancy Private Limited, and of course, Vibrant India. Well, today marks a very significant moment as we all come together to honor the outstanding achievements of numerous individuals like you all who have left an incredible mark, I must say, in their respective field. Well, it's a momentous occasion, as I say, one that will be cherished and remembered forever. To all the awardees out here, I further extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you on receiving the very well-deserved honorary doctorates and awards. Well, your unwavering determination, dedication and commitment towards excellence and innovation have been truly spectacular and outstanding. May this convocation ceremony serve as an inspiring journey igniting the flames of passion, devotion within each one of you to continue this journey with excellence in your future endeavors. Well, let your knowledge and skills be the guiding light to lead the positive change and the transformation that you're not just crafting towards being an individual, you're here to change this society. And that is a spectacular job you all are doing, I must say. Your achievement definitely stands as a testament to the heights that can reach through the dedication and the perseverance that each one of you have shown. Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very congratulations. Well, I will also like to take a moment and acknowledge and honor our esteemed guests who have joined us out of their very busy schedule out here. Their presence definitely makes an extra layer of prestige and honor for all of us, and we are deeply grateful for their participation out here. Well, here we come, Mr. Roshan Palewar. Can we have your huge round of applause? So, Professor Dr. Roshan Palewar, very congratulations on being here. First of all, we are very delighted.
So, खुद को इतना काबिल बनाई है कि सारी दुनिया की कामयाबी आपके कदमों में रहे. That is how, as a humankind, we should start working. एक बात और कि अभी आपके नाम के आगे में DR लग रहा है, डॉक्टर लग रहा है, राइट? सो अभी जिम्मेवारी ये आपकी कंधों पर और बढ़ चुकी है, बिकॉज आपने जो किया है और जिसकी उपलब्धि आपको मिल रही है, ये उपलब्धि आपको और जिम्मेवारी दे रही है ताकि आप अपने और समाज में, देश में.
Honorary Academic Advisor, Washington Digital University. Can we have him on stage, please?
Aibowan, Vanakkam, Namaste, Salam Alaikum to all distinguished guests and my dear scholars who are here today. I stand here this moment as the honorary academic advisor of the Washington Digital University to express my heartfelt appreciation to all those who have attended today for this wonderful occasion. Hats off to Yellow Achievers Award for pulling off such a grand convocation ceremony to felicitate who are truly deserve the recognition. I remember once I was in your place wondering what this recognition and reward will do to my future. Well, to keep a long story short, within 2 months after my graduation, I could become the honorary academic advisor of prestigious Washington Digital University. So you can see the potential out there for your recognition and reward.
जी बिल्कुल ज़ोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए everybody. Thank you, sir, for joining and such an insightful words from you. Huge round of applause for another chief guest of us. We're very, very glad, very delighted. Thank you so much for joining. To kindly come on stage and felicitate Sebastian Mendes. Thank you, gentlemen. And can we join us on our center stage, please? Yeah. Can we have a huge round of applause for Sebastian Mendes, Vice Chancellor, Euro-Asian University. Thank you so much, sir. In Akash Institute of Management to join us on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? Well, thank you so much for joining in, sir. And can we have someone on stage to please felicitate Dr. R. Natraj? Huge round of applause for him, everybody. Dr. R. Natraj, Vice President, Akash Institute of Management. Our chief guest joining us, Shri Saurabh Tarachand Babaria, Empowerment Speaker and Youth Ambassador who has joined us. Well, बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं हम सर, धन्यवाद इस मंच में आने के लिए आपके बहुत ही busy schedule से. Can we have a huge round of applause for such a strong, amazing and a very inspiring leader among us. धन्यवाद सर.
चाहे वुमन एम्पावरमेंट को लेके, चाहे सोशली वेलफेयर को लेके, चाहे एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम अपने विषयों में किया है, जिसके कारण आप सभी लोगों को यहाँ पर अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है. तो ये अवार्ड लेने के बाद समाज के प्रति हमारी जिम्मेवारी और बढ़ जाती है. इसलिए बढ़ जाती है क्योंकि समाज आपको उस दृष्टिकोण से देखने लगता है, एक आइडियल तरीके से देखने लगता है. तो आप सभी लोगों की ये जिम्मेदारी आज से और बढ़ जाती है. इसलिए मैं आप सभी लोगों को पुनः बधाई देना चाहता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ.
Chief guest who has joined us, Sameer Mohide, business tycoon from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. बिल्कुल जरा जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए हमारे चीफ गेस्ट के लिए. And next I'll call upon Dr. Pradeep Jitta, PA to Shri Ramdas Athavale, Ministry of Social Justice, Government of India. इनके लिए तालियां जो है गरजती रहनी चाहिए. One of the most vibrant personality. जी बिल्कुल, ये ऐसे शख्सियत है, महारथी है. मैं कहूँगी इन्होंने कभी ज़िंदगी में हार नहीं मानी है. हमेशा डंके की चोट पे कोई भी चैलेंज जो हो मुकाबला किया है. और जी हाँ, वी आर वेरी वेरी डिलाइटेड टू फेलिसिटेट डॉक्टर प्रदीप जित्ता. कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम. मिस्टर महेश मोहन राव तरडे, एडिशनल एसपी एंटी करप्शन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. इनके लिए भी ज़रा ज़ोरदार तालियां हो जाए, बिकॉज he joined the police department in 1992, but till today he has been working day in and out. Additional SP, anti-corruption, जो बिल्कुल जब हमारे बीच ऐसे लोग रहते हैं, ऐसे महारथी रहते हैं, तभी तो हम निश्चिंत होके सो पाते हैं कि करप्शन को जो है वो जड़ से मिटाना है। और ये हमारे लीडर्स हैं, बिल्कुल हमारे सोल्जर्स की तरह, हीरोज़ की तरह हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहते हैं। जी, ज़ोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत कीजिएगा एवरीबॉडी। डॉक्टर सुमा कुमारी, एक्ट्रेस एंड अ सोशल वर्कर, वेर एक्टिंग के अलावा सोशल वर्क करना इतना ईजी नहीं होता है। जी हाँ, तहे दिल से हम उनका भी स्वागत करते हैं। वेरी कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड वी आर वेरी डिलाइटेड, वेरी प्राउड दैट यू हैव जॉइन्ड अस आउट हियर। Dr. Suma Kumari is an absolutely beautiful and a very talented actress and a social worker herself. Well, एंड सब यहाँ पे तहे दिल से इंतजार कर रहे थे। वेरी फैबुलस, वेरी टैलेंटेड एंड आई मस्ट एडमिट अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल एक्टर। कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर मिस्टर शहबाज खान, वन एंड ओनली वन। Join us on stage, sir. Thank you so much, everybody. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। ये तालियां बजाएंगे कैसे, इनके कैमरा ही बंद नहीं हो रहे हैं बिल्कुल। Now it's a time, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure that we move on to the book launch ceremony. Today we are very Mr. Shehbaz Khan to join us on stage as you have joined us, and can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? We'd love to felicitate. You have taken time out of your very busy schedule. जी हाँ, बहुत हम बहुत खुश हैं that you have joined us, a very talented and a very versatile actor that we have. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Ladies and gentlemen, we have former Chief Minister of Goa, श्रीमान दिगंबर कामत जी, who have joined us. एक बार जरा तहे दिल से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Can we have a standing ovation for him? Everybody, come on! जोरदार तालियां। बहुत आभारी हैं हम सर कि आप आए हैं।
Good afternoon, everybody. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाइए। The Honorable ex-Chief Minister Saab and all the dignitaries present here. It is such an honor to be here, and I congratulate each and every dignitary who's got the PhD and doctorate. And all of you are fantastic, so inspiring. I'm so inspired by coming here.
तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए। Person who have done an incredible job just for not the society, community, the entire Goa, and we are always there. And I request Mr. Khan to kindly felicitate Shri Mananiya Digambar Khan, former Chief Minister of Goa. जोरदार तालियां बजनी रहनी चाहिए। Everybody, huge round of applause for our chief guest out here. Thank you so much, sir, for joining in. Of course, मैं चाहती हूँ आप अपनी कीमती समय में से वक्त निकाल के यहाँ पे आए हैं। दो शब्द क्योंकि उनकी बिल्कुल बेखराब हो सकती
Come all the way to attend this very important function. This is conferment ceremony 2024. In fact, I have been attending their functions. Practically for every function I must have attended. Most of the functions were being held in North Goa. This is first or second time they are holding it in South Goa. I welcome you all to the beautiful state of Goa. They make it a point to organize this function in the state of Goa, and all leading dignitaries from different parts of the country, they attend this function for getting PhDs and various other certificates. I congratulate all of you because you have contributed a lot in whatever sphere, whatever field you have been working. And that deserves congratulations to all of you. And that is why you are being conferred a degree or PhD as per the decision of the universities. I again congratulate the organizers because they are organizing this event. And I think every 6 months they hold this function, which gets tremendous response. People coming from, because last time we met many people who have come all the way, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and other states also, who have contributed a lot in their field. So I hope that such type of functions, they encourage the people who contribute in various fields without any selfishness. And I congratulate all of you once again and thank the organizers for having organized this function. God bless them. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
Next is Vikas SV, Educational Entrepreneurship and Innovation. With that, we shall be ending the Washington Digital University. Or if you can hear me loud and clear, Vikas SV. Vikas SV for Educational Entrepreneurship and Innovation. Well, very congratulations. Woohoo! Huge round of applause and a huge congratulations.